Hello, boys. It's me. It's me, Hang. And today I will be starting. Today I will. Okay, I think I need to undownload some stuff. Hold on a second. Alright, I think it's better now. Yeah, it's better now. So today we will be role-playing as Grillby, doing grillby things. Let's hope that there's some Sandsby shippers in this game. And if there aren't, then that's cool. I'll just be Grillby doing grillby things. Like cleaning a cup. For all of eternity. Alright, here we are. Snowden. Grillby's business isn't going too well. Apparently all of the bad guys are here. That's cool. Cool beans. Pretty cool beans. So I'm gonna just wait until we get some business. Okay, we have some business. I'm gonna say a grillby thing. Which is just an ellipses. It's antivirus sand. It's mocking me. Okay, I'm gonna go and get the ketchup. And in the fridge. Okay, here's your ketchup, good sir. Cool beans.